Unknown gunmen don't attack police station again. Oh, this one na Obosi police station. Yeah. And as soon as they hear me like this, 2 police officers don't die. And the worst part, okay, I don't know if which one even was. Okay, the 2 police officers will die, now it was. But another worst part, my people, they open all the prison. Open gate, they go open gate. Oh, open. All the prisoners don't vamoose. In fact, they open, all the prisoners escape as me and you they talk. I bring and come so that I go see how the whole place be. They even burn police car. They burn. Because I put the video, may they watch.
Yo, bomb gato, we back. Hey, Jesus. This police yana burned to ashes.
And una go they ask me, Ghana people have sent us back. Ghana with this kind of thing. No, where they want run to? Unknown gunmen, unknown gunmen, unknown gunmen again. I also not be the prison where Baba Ijeshade make I know yes say that man run. Very hard. I know the joke. I bet look my face very well. Unknown gunmen, back to you. I bet when they go identify this unknown gunmen, now my question now. When? Unknown. Anything will happen, they don't tag an unknown. Anything will happen, they don't tag an unknown. This thing they get out of hand. You don't they get out of hand, my people. Even police people, they know upon the IGP, police, all of them are joined together. Now nothing investigate who be unknown gunman. But when they rush, go investigate, get where no get leg. How she lie, how she cook the story, how she do. That one go sabi do fast. Now nothing bring us the people who commit this thing. Very soon, the one way go happen now. Una think say na joke. Continue. Now till you see say police checkpoints no exist again. Bandits go take over all the roads, all the streets. Now that time una go wake up. I be na think say na joke. All this season na the year no be joke. Na real matter be this. Please bring us the unknown government's details. We need to know who they are. We need to know their age. We need to know how they look, pictures. We need to, if it's possible, say bring their family members. Imagine the kind of situation where police themselves now, they not even they safe. No, just imagine in a country, police is not safe. What will think will happen to the citizens? Heta sketa. Now like that we go just they run every day. Heta sketa. I beg, they bring this one now because of the questions where people don't ask me. Everybody now they ask me where Buhari dey, all these things they happen where Buhari dey. I don't understand. Why not they ask me where Buhari dey? This same question when they ask me, I beg. My question to you people back, they say, person wey no dey house, how that person go pick up? Now my answer be that. Now who no go know, who wise go wise. Person no dey house, your landline ring. How you want pick? I hope I don't answer una. So my people, now the matter be this. Una don't hear her, una don't watch up. And make her no forget, una go soon get new presenter for this platform. And yes, she is from the Southeast states. Guess who she be? If you know anyone, if you think of anyone, drop her for that comment section. And why not still drop this matter for that side? I want to know your opinion concerning this matter will happen. And yes, help me share this video. Make everybody know what till they share for this place and for our dear beloved country, Nigeria. And don't forget to click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.